As an intern, you're placed within a specific department where you get the chance to work on projects with senior members of the team and develop your technical skills.
The good thing about RSSL is there's always a challenge around the corner. No matter what you're doing, somebody's working on something exciting.
Not only in my department do I feel comfortable, but also with projects which involve other departments, I've never been scared to go and chat to other people.
I've had the opportunity to see a project go from a prototype to the final product that we have now. I've had lots of client meetings, been to factories, seen the product under different types of equipment.
I think what surprised me most about this year was how much science is actually behind chocolate, the different techniques and what they allow other sites to achieve.
My highlight would be the Bourneville trip. I very much enjoyed the chocolate tempering. It was a very fun and team building activity.
We got to see what happens there, so the engineering processes, which was really interesting, and also having the Bourneville interns come to us.
The highlight from this year was getting to go to London and attend the Food Matters Live, where we got to meet loads of different people from the food industry, tried loads of new food samples and followed a lot of the trends.
Doing an internship really helps to improve your confidence and your ability to ask questions and conduct meetings, which will really help for group work next year.
The highlight from this year has to be our Children in Need event. We had a raffle and a tombola and we managed to raise £680.
After a while it becomes more familiar and you become more comfortable, and overall I'd say it's challenging, but it's worth it.
It's a good experience to get a year in industry and work in an office environment as well as a lab environment.
It's definitely helped me a lot to develop like lab skills and writing lab reports as well, because we have to write them in a certain way.
This year I joined the Spectrum team. Spectrum is a group of people trying to embrace the diversity of the workforce. We host people just giving talks on their personal interests.
The highlight of this year has been getting a chance to work with such a diverse range of people with an expertise in so many different fields and being able to apply their knowledge into my project.
Actually doing a 9-to-5 job, something that really prepares you for going into the world of work, but also helping you when you go back to university.
Time really does fly when you're busy, and I mean that in the sense that when you get really engaged in a task here, you just lose track of time completely, and I think that's because there's a sense of involvement here. You really feel like you're part of something and the work that you're doing is making a difference.
Here at RSSL you're allowed one day off to volunteer at local charity.
I was involved with a science outreach programme which involved going to a school and teaching young kids about scientific concepts.
What surprised me most about this year is how much we're treated like real employees with important projects rather than just interns.
They really value the input that the interns give. You're never afraid to fail.
Doing this internship has put my course into context, and now I can visualise myself in the role I want in the future.
It's just fantastic to see such enthusiastic, motivated interns join our site for the year, lifting the spirits of the site and generally just helping to make the Reading Science Centre such a great place to work.